Hey, what's going on? I'm Cantor Simmons with Monetize You Academy, and I help speakers, authors, and coaches monetize their message before the stage, on the stage, and after the stage. The other night, I was talking to a coaching client all about publishing books. Is Amazon good for book sales or Amazon's not good for book sales? Well, in this video, I want to show you how you can leverage your book and monetize your message based on the written word. Okay, now before I jump into this, I want to give you a very special invitation. Every single month, I carve out 5 days of coaching to my Profitable Speaker Challenge. This is where I help individual speakers, coaches, and authors be able to leverage their message into paid speaking opportunities. I take 5 nights to show them step by step how to get booked and how to get paid as a speaker. And if you have a message and you want to use speaking as another form to make impact and income, listen, go over to the Profitable Speaker Challenge, or just click the link down in the description to get the details on that and reserve your seat. Okay, 5 nights of coaching. I also have a VIP option, go deeper into helping you out. All right, so check that out. So, a question that comes up often for me is how and what should I do to publish my message into books? And my thoughts on Amazon. Let me just be honest with you. I love shopping from Amazon, but I don't like selling from Amazon. Here's the reason why. Number one, Amazon is building their business. Okay. Now, I do have books on Amazon. You can go search around Cantor Simmons. I think I have 3 or 4 books on Amazon. All right. You can search around Cantor Simmons for those books. Here's one thing that I know. When I get my commission check from Amazon, it's like 40% of the price of the book. Okay. I work with Ingram Sparks. I publish my book through Ingram Sparks. They're a print on demand company. The books are printed. The books are now set up on Amazon. Somebody buys a book off Amazon. Amazon takes the money. Amazon tells Ingram Sparks. Ingram Sparks prints the book and send it to that person. So Amazon is paid. Ingram Sparks is paid. Shipping and handling is paid. And Cantus is the last person to get paid. But also with Amazon, I have no idea who purchased my book. So that's one of the main reasons I don't like Amazon. However, there's a better way that I have for people to purchase my book. That's through my website, through cantussimmons.com. So I can be talking about shooting free content, and I can say, hey, if you would like help on getting better grades in school, simply go over to playyouragamebook.com or click the link down in my description, and it'll show you and your student how to stay motivated, remain focused, and succeed in school and life. When a person goes to that website and click the link to that description, a few things are going to happen. Number one, they can purchase my book. I'm going to get their name, their email address, their credit card, and I'm going to be able to send them my book. The second thing that's going to happen is that when they purchase my book from their website, I can also now, guess what? I can upsell them the audiobook, right? You ever been to Amazon and you purchase something on Amazon and they're going to upsell you something else? Hey, before you check out, they're going to upsell you. Guess what? I can take my book and now I can upsell to an audiobook. But guess what? After they put their credit card in, after they purchase that thing, once it's done, I can upsell them to my academic success course. Then guess what? After the academic success course, and they're on my email list, I can talk to them about being a part of my Student Success Academy. So now I'm able to turn a $20 book into hundreds or even thousands of dollars from this one purchase. Guess what? You can't do that on Amazon. You're going to get the little 40% split, no name, no contact. And so if you really want to monetize your message, you want to think about how you can leverage it. Now, another cool thing is this. I can sell boxes of books to a school, to a college, to a church, to an organization, but now getting them over to my website. So if you want to leverage a book, my personal recommendation is to do print on demand, have a system in place where you're sort of printing, I'm gonna say you print them out your garage, but now I have things set up now where I don't even have books that come to my house. A book can be purchased, I can get paid for it. Let's say this book is, I sell it for $20, $25. It's costing about $3.50 to print this book. So now $20 come to me. I kick $3.50 to Ingram Sparks to print the book, and then like an additional. It's actually more to ship the book than the than the book itself. Like shipping and handling is more than the book itself. But guess what? Now because they're on my website, my hub, now that's the beginning of a relationship. Now here's the cool thing. I can even sell this book for free, and I've done it just because I want the relationship. So when you think about your message, when you think about publishing books, hey, it's another way to get your message out there. Now, if you have any questions about how to turn this book into more impact and more income, listen, I would love to help you at my upcoming Profitable Speaker Challenge. And I'll show you how to leverage this book. Like there's a whole bridge to taking your message and your being knowing how to promote and how to produce and how to create great products that's going to keep your message living on and on and on. And I would love to help you with that. All right. So listen, go over to Profitable Speaker Challenge where we'll talk about how to get your first or your next paid speaking opportunity, but to more so show you how to profit. That's the key word, how to profit from your message. All right. Hey, I'm Cantor Simmons. I'm the coolest guy with 7.25 fingers. And remember this, your message is designed to change the world. Hey, I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.